Welcome to Mexico City. This metropolis is a universe of color, history, and flavor, and I'm thrilled to be your guide. For the next few minutes, we'll dive into the 16 absolute best things you must do here. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, this is your curated journey through the soul of CDMX. Get ready for practical tips, insider secrets, and inspiration that'll have you booking your flight before the video ends. Are you ready? Let's go explore. Our adventure begins in the vibrant heart of Mexico City, the iconic Zócalo. This immense plaza, officially known as Plaza de la Constitución, is not just a physical center, but the emotional and cultural core of the city. Here, the pulse of Mexico's past and present beats strongest, echoing with stories that have shaped a nation. Surrounded by the awe-inspiring Metropolitan Cathedral and the stately National Palace, the Zócalo has served as the city's main gathering place since the days of the Aztecs, when it was the ceremonial center of Tenochtitlan. Over centuries, it has witnessed everything from grand celebrations to pivotal protests, making it a living stage for Mexico's evolving story. Pause for a moment to absorb the energy that fills the square. Families laughing, street vendors selling traditional snacks, and performers captivating crowds with music and dance. Every corner buzzes with life, and every face tells a story, connecting the present to centuries of tradition. Don't miss the daily flag ceremony, a moving display of national pride and unity. As the massive Mexican flag rises or falls, accompanied by the solemn precision of uniformed guards, you'll feel the deep sense of identity and history that unites the people of this city. Take a stroll around the perimeter and marvel at the Metropolitan Cathedral, whose grand facade leans and sinks into the ancient lakebed below. This architectural wonder is a testament to the city's resilience, blending Spanish colonial artistry with indigenous roots, and inviting you to reflect on the layers of history beneath your feet. Whether you're meeting friends, exploring nearby museums, or simply watching the world go by, the Zócalo is your perfect anchor for discovering the wonders of Mexico City. Let its spirit guide your journey as you set out to explore the city's endless treasures. Just steps from the bustling Zócalo, the Palacio de Bellas Artes rises like a gleaming beacon in the heart of Mexico City. Its magnificent white marble facade, crowned with a stunning domed roof, immediately captures the eye and imagination. This architectural masterpiece is not only a symbol of the city's grandeur, but also a testament to the fusion of European elegance and Mexican creativity. As you approach, the intricate details and the sheer scale of the building invite you to pause and take it all in. Step inside, and you're greeted by soaring Art Deco interiors that feel both timeless and modern. The walls are adorned with vibrant murals by Diego Rivera and other legendary Mexican artists, each telling a story of the nation's history, struggles, and dreams. These masterpieces are more than just decoration, they are windows into the soul of Mexico, capturing moments of revolution, hope, and cultural pride. One of the most extraordinary features is the breathtaking Tiffany glass stage curtain, a one-of-a-kind work of art crafted from thousands of pieces of colored glass. This shimmering curtain depicts the Valley of Mexico and glows with life when illuminated, making every performance here feel magical, even before the show begins. Even if you don't attend a performance, it's worth visiting at different times of day. Watch as sunlight dances across the iconic dome, shifting the building's colors and mood with every passing hour. The interplay of light and shadow transforms the palace into a living artwork, ever-changing and always inspiring. The Palacio de Bellas Artes is truly the cultural heart of Mexico City, a place where art, music, and architecture come together in perfect harmony. Locals and visitors alike gather here to celebrate creativity, making it a vibrant hub of inspiration and community. For photographers, it's a dream come true. Every angle offers a new perspective, from the sweeping exterior to the ornate details inside. Whether you're capturing the grandeur of the building or the energy of the crowds, you'll find endless opportunities for stunning shots. Visiting Bellas Artes is more than just sightseeing. It's an experience that deepens your appreciation for Mexico's creative spirit and rich cultural heritage. Let yourself be inspired by the art, the architecture, and the stories that live within these walls. Need a breath of fresh air? Head to Chapultepec Park, one of the world's largest urban parks. Stroll its green lawns, rent a paddle boat, or visit the excellent zoo. Don't miss Chapultepec Castle. Its opulent rooms and panoramic views are unforgettable. Whether you want history, nature, or relaxation, this park is a vital part of city life. Chapultepec is the perfect escape from the urban rush. In Coyoacan, step into the Frida Kahlo Museum, her legendary blue house. Walk through her studio, kitchen, and see her personal effects, from folk art to her iconic dresses. The museum preserves the intimate atmosphere of Frida's life and art. Book tickets online well in advance. They sell out fast. Visiting Casa Azul is a moving, unforgettable connection to Frida's legacy. Ready for a party on the water? Imagine yourself gliding along ancient canals, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of color and sound. This isn't just any boat ride, it's a celebration that floats. Head to Xochimilco's legendary canals, where you can hop aboard a vibrant trajinera, those iconic, hand-painted boats that have become a symbol of Mexico City's festive spirit. Each boat is a floating stage for laughter, music, and unforgettable memories. As you drift along, you'll pass families celebrating birthdays, mariachi bands serenading passengers, and vendors paddling up with everything from roasted corn to full homemade meals. The air is filled with the sounds of guitars, trumpets, and joyful voices. Embrace the beautiful chaos. Bring your own snacks and drinks, join in the singing, and let yourself be swept up in the contagious energy. Whether you're with friends or making new ones, every moment is a reason to celebrate. Xochimilco is more than a tourist attraction. It's a living, breathing tradition where locals and visitors come together to honor centuries-old customs. Here, every weekend feels like a festival, and everyone is invited. As you float, keep an eye out for the chinampas, ingenious floating gardens first built by the Aztecs. These lush green islands are a testament to ancient agricultural innovation and still provide fresh produce to the city today. The experience is a joyful, sensory overload, vivid colors, delicious aromas, and the constant rhythm of music and laughter. It's a living window into Mexico's creative and communal spirit. Don't miss your chance to visit this UNESCO World Heritage Site, where history, culture, and celebration float side by side. Xochimilco is truly a fiesta you'll never forget. After Casa Azul, explore Coyoacan's cobblestone streets and leafy plazas. Start at the central square, with its coyote fountain and buzzing weekend energy. Sample street food at Mercado de Coyoacan and grab fresh churros from a local stand. Wander quiet side streets for hidden courtyards and charming cafes. Coyoacan's creative spirit and relaxed pace offer a peaceful escape from the city center. It's a must for anyone seeking Mexico City's artistic soul. About an hour from the city, Teotihuacan's ancient pyramids await. Arrive early to beat the crowds and climb the Pyramid of the Sun for breathtaking views. Walk the Avenue of the Dead and marvel at the scale of this mysterious city. Don't miss the Temple of Quetzalcoatl and the Pyramid of the Moon. Bring water, sunscreen, and comfortable shoes. There's little shade. Teotihuacan is a humbling testament to Mexico's ancient civilizations. For Mexico City's modern creative side, explore Roma and Condesa, stroll tree-lined streets, admire Art Deco architecture, and discover vibrant street art and galleries. Relax in Parque Mexico or Parque España, and sample the city's best food and cocktails. These neighborhoods come alive at night with cool bars and rooftop views. Roma and Condesa are non-negotiable for foodies, art lovers, and trendsetters. The National Museum of Anthropology is a must for understanding Mexico's rich history. Its stunning architecture and vast collection cover every major pre-Hispanic civilization. Don't miss the Aztec Sunstone in the Mexico Hall. It's the heart of the museum. Focus on the ground floor, if you're short on time. The exhibits are world-class with clear explanations in English and Spanish. This museum connects you to the soul of Mexico. Next to the Zócalo lies Templo Mayor, the main temple of the Mexica people. Walk the site's elevated pathways and see layers of Aztec history beneath the modern city. Visit the adjacent museum to view artifacts and the colossal Coyolxauhqui stone. The site reveals the dramatic clash of civilizations that shaped Mexico City. Templo Mayor is essential for understanding the city's ancient roots. It's a powerful, raw look at Mexico's past. Dive into the chaos of La Merced, Mexico City's largest traditional market. Wander through a riot of colors, sounds, and smells. This is the city's culinary heart. Try exotic fruits, street snacks, and tacos from busy stalls. Be adventurous, but keep your valuables secure, and stay aware of your surroundings. Engage with vendors and sample what you don't recognize. La Merced is an unforgettable, authentic taste of daily life. For a new perspective, head to the top of Torre Latinoamericana. This iconic skyscraper offers a 360-degree view of the city and distant volcanoes. Visit at sunset for a magical panorama as the city lights up. The observation deck connects all the places you've explored on the ground. It's a must for photographers and anyone wanting to see Mexico City's vastness. Experience the electric energy of a lucha libre match, Mexico's unique blend of sport and theater. Cheer for masked heroes and villains in a whirlwind of acrobatics and drama. Buy a luchador mask and join the spectacle. It's fun for all ages. Arena Mexico is the main venue. Buy tickets in advance for Friday nights. The crowd's energy is infectious and the showmanship is unforgettable. Lucha libre is a loud, proud, and wildly entertaining slice of Mexican culture. On Saturdays, visit San Angel for the Bazaar del Sabado, a vibrant art market in a historic neighborhood. Browse high-quality crafts, jewelry, and art in a beautiful colonial courtyard. The whole area comes alive with open-air galleries and street stalls. Even if you're not shopping, enjoy the bougainvillea-draped streets and charming cafes. San Angel is a celebration of Mexican creativity and a perfect weekend escape. Don't miss this cultural event if you're in town on a Saturday. For a taste of luxury, stroll through Polanco, Mexico City's most exclusive neighborhood. Shop along Avenida Presidente Masaryk, lined with top designer boutiques. Dine at world-renowned restaurants like Pujol or Quintonil, or enjoy chic bistros and cafes. Visit the striking Sumaya and Jumex museums for art and culture. Explore quiet, leafy streets for a glimpse of elegant mansions. Polanco reveals the city's modern cosmopolitan side. No visit is complete without a street food tour. Mexico City's culinary soul. Start with tacos al pastor, then branch out to tamales, elote, and tlacoyos. Follow the crowds to the busiest, cleanest stands for the best flavors. Try a self-guided tour or join a local guide for insider tips. Don't be afraid to sample new things. Let your taste buds lead the way. Street food is a daily ritual and the heart of the city's identity. Dive in and savor every bite. That's a wrap on our 16 must-do adventures in Mexico City. I hope you're inspired to craft your own unforgettable journey through this amazing metropolis. Share your favorite tips or hidden gems in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide, hit subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, travel safe, eat well, and buen viaje.